Anyway, I am taking over Greg's vlog. So this is the newer lighthouse. It took us roughly around mga 30 or 45 minutes to go here from the place where we booked. Oh, this is where they go. Look, guys, this is so nice. Look. Anyway, so hey, I'm taking over Greg's vlog and we are here. I forgot what it's called, pero yes, we are here. And that's the lighthouse, and that's the famous islet. And they have multiple coves from here. And then when you look to the other side, you can also see another cove. And no one goes here, like there's nobody except us. Well, there are people swimming in there, pero local sila. But this part, it's really high. Like it could be very dangerous. Like pag nahulog ka dyan, you'll die. We are good. This is so nice.